One of your strongest pieces of leverage in any negotiation is the option to choose a different path. Even if you strongly prefer Oracle's solution, make it clear that you have other alternatives. Oracle's biggest fear is losing a customer or a big new deal to a rival like SAP, Workday, or another cloud provider. Use that fear. You should ideally solicit a proposal from a competitor, both to have a real comparison and to signal to Oracle that this isn't a one-horse race. For example, let Oracle know, "We're also in talks with SAP about their offering," or "Workday gave us a ballpark quote for the HR module." You don't necessarily have to show the exact numbers, and often you shouldn't share one vendor's quote directly with another. But Oracle should firmly believe that you are willing to switch if the deal isn't right. Along with mentioning competitors, project a walk-away posture. This means psychologically preparing and signaling that you could walk away from Oracle if needed. Even though switching ERP systems is a big undertaking, and Oracle knows it's not easy for you to rip out a core system, you want them thinking that you are not captive. Sometimes just the credible threat is enough. There have been cases where companies hinted at migrating off Oracle, say to a different database or cloud, and Oracle, desperate not to lose the account, conceded major discounts. It boils down to this: if Oracle's sales team believes the deal is theirs no matter what, you'll get a worse offer. If they believe you have a plan B and the courage to use it, they will sharpen their pencil and be far more accommodating on price and terms. Keep your tone professional but confident. You prefer to stay with the best solution, maybe Oracle, but only on fair terms. Call to action. Identify your plan B, another vendor or in-house option, and let Oracle subtly know it exists. Maintain leverage by ensuring Oracle knows you won't hesitate to consider other solutions.